Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then good morning, everyone. Good morning,
Good morning.
everyone. Good morning. Yes, in our previous video uploaded, I have completed with this lesson the two paragraphs were remaining of a farm in India and a farm in USA. Monday video uploading was there. Monday I have uploaded that video. If you are not, you have not seen, you can go through that video and you will understand this last two paragraphs of the lesson. And if any doubt, then also you can ask me. Okay.
Okay.
In that farm in India, just recall farming in India, we have understood that the plots in farm of the Indian farmers are very small due to the division of land among the family members, and these farmers continue to use age old cultivation practices of plowing with bullocks and harvesting crops manually, and they do not get high yields means high cultivation, high crops production. Then large farms where machines are used are very few in number also. So this is the condition of farm in India. And then farming in USA, we have seen that there are large farm in the USA and extensive farming is used, means the use of machinery is there, and big farmlands are there. The farmers are also educated and keep themselves updated with the new research, then local and international market position, and they have a typical type of huge separate buildings for cattle rearing also. So this the new technology, new machines they are using. So this is the difference we have, sorry, we have understood about the farm in India and farm in USA. Now for this uh, active this note textbook work, question answers, these question answers I have already given you in the group in PDF form. You can do it in very short and long, whatever I have given you. Plus, I have given give reasons and distinguish between also. You can do each and everything from that PDF neat in neat handwriting, because notebook assessment too. I will ask these question answers whatever we are doing now. Clear? Then here you can mark tick the correct answer. Horticulture means, yes, what does horticulture means? Growing of fruits and vegetables. Yes, you can mark this. A. Growing of fruits and vegetables. A will be the correct answer. Second, golden fiber refers to C. Jute will be the correct
Youth.
answer. Jute will be the correct answer. Then leading producers of coffee. Leading producer of
Ma'am,
coffee is
Brazil.
Brazil.
Brazil will be the correct answer. Clear? Next, these questions I have included in very short and long also. Extra questions also I've given, and in that PDF. You go through that PDF, do the question answers, give reasons, and distinguish between. And if you are not able to follow anything, any doubt you are having, you can ask me. Okay? Now, today I'm going to start with the very next lesson of this geography only, that is industries. Industries. You can open your book with this lesson, industries. Now, the word industry usually brings to mind images of large factories and mills. Large factories and mills. As soon as we talk about the word industry, in our mind, definitely a picture of factories and mills arises. And but the industry also includes agriculture, fishing, trade. In fact, all forms of economic activities we can include in the word industry. Then industry is thus an organized activity whose aim is to produce or supply goods to the uh, to provide the to
Mm.
provide services. Then next we all the activities that process or convert anything from a raw material, whatever raw material first part is there, to the finished product fall under the industry. Now, as you all are aware, that industrialization started in England in the 18th century with what is known as Industrial Revolution. You are all aware about Industrial Revolution, that many industries came into, many factories came into being. Since then, it has spread to the rest of the world. Now, this lesson begins with the paragraph for you to think about that have you ever thought that the notebook you use for writing has come to you after a long process? And what is that long process of manufacturing. Now it started its life, the making of the book started its life as a part of the tree. That means from the beginning, means the beginning of this book is from the tree only. It was cut down, the tree was cut down and transported to pulp mill. Now, mill was used to make the pulp of the tree. Now, there the wood of the tree was processed and converted into wood pulp. Now, there that whatever the barks of the tree and all was cut, it was taken to the mill, pulp mill, and converted into the wood pulp. मीन्स उसका बहुत ही सॉफ्ट मिक्सचर बना दिया गया and the wood pulp was mixed with chemicals and finally changed into paper by machines. And this paper found its way to press, where ink made from chemicals was used to print the lines on the pages, and the pages were then bound in the form of a notebook, packed and sent to the market for sale, and finally it reaches to your hands. That means final production is the book which you get in the hand. So the whole process from the means cutting of the tree, that is you are getting the raw material in the form of wood, and then converting that processing it into the wood pulp in a mill, and then final till final product, whatever process takes place, it takes place in the industries only, in factories only. Now, secondary activities or manufacturing change raw material into products of more value to people. You can underline this, that secondary activities. Now, this is the primary activity from where the raw material is converted. Raw material is converted and then when it is converted to the finished goods, when the raw material is converted to the finished products, then it comes to the secondary activity and changes the raw material into products from the value to the people. Means that might be that tree cutting of tree will not be useful for you, uh, is not needed by you, but after the processing, making it making pulp and using chemicals and all, then uh, might be that book which is the final product may be more valuable to you rather than the cutting of the tree, that is the wood pulp, or uh, directly the uh, trees, the means barks of the trees and all. So as you have seen, pulp was changed into paper and paper into notebook. These represent the two stages of the manufacturing process. Now this is the two stages of manufacturing paper. First, the paper made from pulp and cloth made from cotton have had value added to them at each stage. Whatever stage they are going in to reach the final product, they are adding more and more value to the people. They are adding more and more importance for the people. Then uh, in this way, the finished products has more value and utility than the raw material that is made from. That means the finished product, what is the last product we get after manufacturing, after processing, that had more value, more importance, more usability. Utility means more usability uh, in the life of the people. Now, industry refers to an economic activity. Just now, I'd explained that industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, and provision of services. So, what is industry? Industry means it is an economic activity which is mostly concerned with the production of a particular good. When the particular good is the product of the particular good is produced, or any extraction of mineral is taken, and the provision of services to provide services to the people, it all falls under the category of industry. Thus, we have iron and steel industry, production of goods, that is coal mining industry, and tourism industry. That is, tourism industry is the service provider. Coal mining and industry is an extraction of coal, that is extraction. And when we have iron and steel industry, that means the production of goods. From iron and steel, the goods are prepared. So in this way, we see that this industries are very important from the raw material to convert the things from raw material to the finished products. And those finished products are more important, more valuable in the life of people than the raw material. Clear this much, everybody? Now, classification of industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw material, size, and ownership. Now, this one by one in detail, how these industries are classified on the basis of raw material, size, and ownership. We are going to read it in detail in the coming lesson, coming pages. Sorry. Now, first, on the basis of raw material, how these industries are classified into on the basis of raw material. Now, industries may be agro-based, related to agricultural produce, mineral-based, that is related to minerals, marine based, that is related to water, and forest based, that is related to the product related to the forest, depending on the type of raw material they use. Means now, first category of industry is based on raw material. The raw material, the main material, what the industry is using is agricultural based, it is based on minerals, it is water based on water, marine means water, or it those raw materials is taken from the forest or from water. So these on the basis of this the industries are divided. Now first we take agro based industries. Now agro based industries use plant and animal based products as their raw material. Now, agro-based means, as the word agro means agricultural based industries. Now, these type of industries use plant and animal as their basis to produce the uh, new product or the finished product. So the main base of the raw material is the agricultural produce, that is the plant and animal. Now, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton, textile, dairy products, and leather industries are the example of agro-based industries. Now, these are all related to agricultural production. So, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton, textile, dairy products, leather industries, they all are concerned with agro-based industries, and they are the uh, main basic raw material used for agro-based industries. Second comes mineral-based industries. Now, in mineral-based industries, the primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw material. Now, as the name indicates, mineral-based industries, definitely they will use the mineral ores which has been extracted from deep inside the earth as a raw material to uh, convert them into the finished products. So the main base will be of the mineral based industries will be the mineral ores. The product of these industries feed other industries. uh, Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industries. Now, iron made from iron ore. Iron ore is the raw material, and uh, the finished product we get iron from that, and after converting iron ore we get iron, and from iron we make different types of other products also. So the iron ore will be the raw material for the mineral based industries, for the iron based industries, and this is used as raw material for the manufacture of number of other products such as heavy machinery, building materials, and railway coaches. So this is all I had made it clear, that iron ore is the raw material which is converted to make iron, and then that iron is used to manufacture number of products such as heavy machinery, building materials, and railway coaches and all. These are made from iron ore only. Then marine based industries. Third category of raw material industry is marine based, that is the raw material we get from water. Use products from the sea and ocean as raw material. So marine based industries use the product from sea and ocean as a raw material. Industries processing seafood. Now what we will get from the seas and ocean? Seafood only, like manufacturing fish oil and all. They are the example for the marine based industries. Fish oil is produced from the fish and all. So the raw material we get is from the marine based, that is from sea and ocean. Then next category comes the forest-based industries. Now, in this forest-based industries, utilize forest produce as raw material. Forest produce as raw material means whatever raw material uh, the industries need, they are taken from the forest. Now, the industries associated with forests are pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture, and buildings, that medicines and all, herbs and all, uh, they are used for the medical purposes and all. Furniture also we get from the forest to make furniture, that is we get wood as a raw material. Then for making buildings and also the raw material which is needed will be the part of the forest only. So that is why the raw materials first category of industries divided on the basis of raw material, and raw material will be agro based industries, mineral based industries, marine based industries, and forest based industries. Clear this much raw material? Now
Yes, ma'am.
next is size. Now, based on size also, the industries are divided. Some industries are runs on small scale industries. Other can be the large industries. Then size refers to the amount of capital invested, means how much money is invested in that particular industry, and how many people are the employee in that particular industry, and what how much production is made from that particular industry. That all accounts in size of the industry. That means the size refers to the amount of capital, amount of money invested in that industry, number of people who have joined that industry for the production purpose, and the volume of production means how much production is made from that particular industries. Now, based on size, industries again can be classified into small scale and large scale. As raw material, based on raw material, it was divided into different types. The same on the basis of size also, the industries can be divided into small scale and large scale industries. Now, cottage or household industries, that means when a few women we see that they prepare that small household material like we can say achar, jam, jelly, papad, badiya, and like this they prepare at home only and sell it to the market, and that is why they are cottage household industries. They are also called as small scale industries, in which the family members are involved and they are produced in the home only and then uh, supplied in the market. So they are using the small scale method. That means family members are only involved, not much capital, not much money is used there, and family members are involved. Plus, not much production is also not much. Little bit only is produced, which is sold in the market for the profit earning. So this is the small scale industry where the products are manufactured by hand by the artisans, means by the artisans means by the expert people. And then example are basket weaving, pottery, and other handicrafts are the example of cottage industries. Now, jam, jelly, and all the women prepare at home. They sell in the market. Plus, the cottage industries, basket weaving, pottery, and other handicrafts, they also are included in the cottage industries. Now, small scale industries use lesser amount of capital and technology as compared to the large scale industry. Means technology, new technology they don't use. If at all they use in less quantity. Plus the amount of capital invested, the amount of money invested in these small scale industries is also very less, and the production is also very less in the small scale industry as compared to the large scale industry. The investment of the capital is higher and technology used is superior in the large scale industry. Now this is clear cut differentiation between the small and large scale industries. Small scale industries uses less amount of capital, whereas large scale industries use more amount of capital, more money is needed in large scale. Then the technology, small scale industries don't use new technologies and all, whereas in large scale industry, new technologies, new scientific methods are used. And the next is the production is more in quantity in large scale uh, for the profit earning than as compared to the small scale. And then silk weaving and food processing industries are the small scale industries. Food processing, I already I explained you what is the food processing industries, and like jam, jelly making and all, they are concerned with the small scale industries. Then production of automobiles, heavy machinery are large scale industry. Now, the next category is ownership, and from ownership, we will continue it in the next class, whether it is video uploading or live class. You please, if video uploading is also there, you please go through that video because I will continue the lesson from here, ownership. Okay, so for today, that's all. Revise till here, and if anything not clear, any doubt is there, you can ask me. Thank you.